Everyone, welcome back to Study with Saiba. Our topic for today will be pollution. So let's start off by seeing what is pollution. So pollution is when something is added to the environment that is harmful to living things. What are the factors that cause pollution? And the first factor is factories. So they cause two types of waste. The first one is harmful gases. And these harmful gases, when they get into the atmosphere, they cause air pollution, like you can see here. The next one is chemical waste that gets added to the sea. And when it gets added to the sea, it causes water pollution. The next is transport. And as you can see here, it causes a lot of harmful gases that are not good for the environment. They cause air pollution. The next is plastic waste disposal. So all your bottles and straws and plastic bags, after you use them, what you do? You throw it away. And when you throw it away, look at how much the plastic waste is added up. Can you see this? It's a lot. And this is just on land. There's a lot more on the sea, and they cause a lot of harm to the sea animals that are living there. For example, you might have heard that plastic is not good for turtles because one of the food that turtles eat is jellyfish. So when they look at a plastic bag, it looks like a jellyfish, and when they go and eat it, they get choked and they die. So can you see how much harm it is to the sea animals? Not only turtles, but so many other sea animals there. Next is burning of fossil fuels. So again, look at how much harmful gases it produces. It's a lot. And again, it causes air pollution, so much air pollution. So how can we prevent all this pollution? You actually don't have to do very big things to prevent pollution. Tiny things you do also counts. If the whole world, 7 billion people, do small things just to prevent pollution, it's a big change. So the things you can do to prevent pollution is don't take a car for small distances. Use a bicycle instead. Take a cloth bag with you the next time you go shopping to prevent or to decrease the usage of plastic bags. And turn off lights when not in use. So these are just few examples. There are a lot of things you can do to prevent pollution. And next, lastly, reuse, reduce, and recycle, the 3 R's. So these are environmental things you can do to reduce pollution and environmental problems. Reuse refers to using items more than once. Reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create. And recycle means putting a product to a new use instead of just throwing it away. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Study with Saiba. I'll be seeing you guys in my upcoming videos. For now, bye!